This on-chain metrics indicates massive explosion for the Bitcoin prices in the near future, and I will show you in this video what I exactly mean. The aSOPR metric is metric what shows us the realized profits divided by realized losses. So if we have an aSOPR of 1, the realized profits and realized losses are basically the same. So we can see here that in the bear market that the aSOPR is often rejected by the level of 1. So that's quite interesting, because people who are buying Bitcoin and they see that the price is still moving downwards, they are waiting for the Bitcoin chart to move a little bit up, that they can cash out Bitcoin without loss. So here the level of 1 is a very strong resistance in bear market. There's one thing we need to know. In bull markets, it's vice versa. So here you can see that the aSOPR is rejected from above. So here, for example, we have decreasing Bitcoin prices, and the people think, oh no, we have a little bit fear in the market, and we want to realize the Bitcoins and cash out before we make big losses. And typically in bull markets, that is gasoline for more rising prices, and vice versa, of course, in bear markets, as I have shown you before. And then we have quite significant up moves here for the aSOPR, what indicates greed, for example here. And for bear markets, we have this very significant low levels of the aSOPR, like you can see here, what indicates that here we have a maximum capitulation of the weak hands, the paper hands. So it's quite good indicator for accumulation if you are a long-term investor. And here yesterday we have again a massive capitulation. What is the aSOPR here telling us? Although we don't have very much decreasing Bitcoin prices, and I think it's because we have very negative news regarding Binance, regarding the US government. They want to sell the Silk Road Bitcoins. I think it's over 40,000 Bitcoins they want to sell. They already sold 9,000 Bitcoin. So there is a lot of fear in the market, and so I guess that's why we have a new capitulation event here, what will indicate that we have a lot of fuel for an upcoming up move. But let's move on to the chart and let's see it from a bigger picture here. And the first thing I want to show you here is the Bitcoin funding rate, and it's still negative. And like the SOPR, if the funding rate is negative in a bull market, that's basically gasoline for a new up move. And then let's move on to the significant resistance and support lines. And we see here that the price is rejected from two resistance lines. One is the 350 daily moving average, and the second is here, that one, and the second is the 200 weekly moving average. So we see here the rejection, and then we have the support lines. In this case is the 110 and 111 moving average, and here the 200-day moving average. So very significant resistance and support areas here. And so the support lines here, they won the battle, and we broke out above the 350 and the 200 daily moving average. And so we are here now consolidating, and that's exactly on a very significant Fibonacci extension here. If I draw this Fibonacci retracement for the last down wave, we can see here that the first target has arrived. And of course, we also have here in the same area quite strong resistance line. When I draw it from here, so we can see here, we have here rejection, we have here two rejections, we have here the rejection, it broke down below this line, and on the same level we have the Fibonacci extension. And yeah, this resistance is not a strong rejection for the Bitcoin price. We can see here it's only a little bit consolidating, and yeah, so this indicates also that I think that we don't see a huge rejection here. We will stay here a little bit longer, and then we will, in my opinion, no financial advice of course, in my opinion, we will break out above this level here, and we can see here, I think 34,000 US dollars as a first target. So maybe we can see here rejection, or we can also go all the way up to 40,000. It's also a very psychological resistance. Maybe not in one up move, but I think it's possible to go to the 40,000 price level. But I think maybe here, or at least here, we will see a lot of greed in the market, and then we will see very likely a new correction here, maybe to this level, or maybe even further down here. And we will see this in the on-chain data, of course, if we have more fear in the market, what will be more fuel for even higher targets, something like that. Yeah, so I will keep you updated here on this channel. If you like my content, I will be happy to see you subscribing my channel, like the video, and leave a comment, and I will talk to you guys later.